Okay, third generation Dodge 1500 quad cab. This is why your rear door doesn't want to open. The alignment on this little guy gets all loose. Why is that? First of all, to take off the whole panel, one screw right there. This right here, just a 10 millimeter, unscrews there. There's your handle, pops off. Your whole door panel, boom, comes right up. This is the problem. Peel this back, remove your speaker, of course. Peel this back, and you're gonna find right here, this guy. This little tiny plastic tab is clamped on to the control rod that interacts with the little lock mechanism that goes all the way back there. This little guy, the tabs break. So it keeps the alignment. Without this, it falls back inside, and then there's no alignment and the thing gets all jacked up. So what you gotta do, run a zip tie through the bottom, because the tabs are already broken. It's 23 years old. Zip tie through the bottom, run it all the way around, boom. Keeps the alignment, everything works. Up and down, where's my remote? And that's all you need. That's all you need to do. Keeps the alignment straight. If you don't do this, and you just go over here, and you find this out, and you just put it back, it's gonna pop out again. You gotta do this. You do that, you're gonna be gold. Hope this helps.